Mr. Bless, it have to be more, not less. So gone and I'm gone and I'm gone and I'm gone and I'm gone.
So Mr. Bless, this is a Mariner 2 HP. It's 2-stroke, and we're going to see whether or not, after it's been lying around for a couple of years, whether or not we can get it started. We have no history.
Yeah.
No history whatsoever. It could have just been thrown out in a dump because somebody else couldn't get it going.
Yeah.
But we're with Mr. Blessed,
Yeah.
and he makes things happen. He is a miraculous man who can restore and resurrect dead engines.
Okay, so now we're gonna remove the cover and see what's going on. Let's do it.
Look at that.
Look at that.
It's like Hugh, Mr. Bless. Split personality. Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
It's got nice look, bit of grease everywhere. Someone's been looking at. Oh,
Yeah,
look at that. That's come off.
Seems like in good condition.
No, I already pulled that off.
Okay, let's see what. So we're gonna remove the spark plug,
Yeah. Clean that up.
clean that up, and see what it look like. So the carburetor is here. This is the carburetor. So we're gonna clean it and see if we can get it started, because it put down for a while. So
You're plugging this video, aren't you?
yeah. So now we're gonna remove the sparks plug and see what's happening.
Yep. Looks
So-
a bit. Could do with a bit of a clean, I think, Mr. Bless.
Yeah. So we're gonna clean it and put it back, see if we get any sparks.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we're gonna see if we can clean up the plug. So we're gonna check the carbureted system and the lock-off valve, make sure everything is fantastic, you know?
Mm-hmm. Right, here we go. We have the petrol mixture, not a full litre. We're just putting a bit of oil in there. Bit of a guesstimate.
Okay, that's good. Okay, stop
going.
there, stop there.
Okay.
I gotta turn off the valve. I wanna know if it was working, you know? Okay,
Let it drip. It might clean it out a bit.
yeah. Pour it now. Good. I think that's alright for now. Yeah, when it running, we put more. If it start. So now we're putting back the plug.
This is a V8 engine, yeah?
V8.
Yeah.
So the adjustable there, down there.
Oh yeah. Right.
So just give it a tighten and we're gonna make sure everything fantastic, you know?
Okay.
Good, good, good. So now we're gonna test it
You pull it.
and see what's happening.
You push and I'll shove.
So, look.
What's this? No idea.
We have to just try it and see what happens.
Yep.
Nothing so far.
Right.
So we try to start it, but there's no current coming from the ignition coil. So we have to postpone this one and move on to the next. So the next one, next project again, we're gonna do this 4-stroke. So we're gonna see if this one will run. The first one never run, cause it need coil. So we're gonna test this one and see what happen.
Good man.
See if this one gonna be fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna remove the cover. And this is the engine, carburetor, fuel tank, and the works. So we're gonna put some oil in it and check it.
And drain the old fuel out,
Yeah,
because that's not good for it.
yes. So we add some fuel in this one. So we're gonna put some engine oil. Then we're gonna see if we can get it run. I think this one, we're gonna call it Will It Run? We don't know if it will run. So now we're gonna add some oil. Yeah, that's all right for me. So the time is here. We're gonna test it and see what happens. See if this one will start. The first one don't start, so let's hope this one start. So now we're gonna see if we can get it start. Let's do it.
Right.
Oh, you do it now.
Yeah. We're into
That's
neutral.
it.
Yeah. Wow. Hey.
Start. And this one is up and running. We're gonna give it a little rev. And this one is fantastic. And to control this one, you have to use this thing.
Yeah.
Turn it that way.
Put it into gear. Don't put it in gear. Right?
Yeah. You want to put it in gear, you have to put it this
Forward.
one that way. And you can see the writing under there to tell you what and what to do. So this one is up and running.
Thanks to Mr. Bless.
Good job. Yeah, this one is powerful. We don't want to put it in gear. It's gonna take off.
Just let it run for a bit.
Yeah. So we're gonna make it run for a while, get out the old petrol, make sure everything is alright, you know? And this one is quiet.
in.
Start it again. Let's start it and see if it worked this time again.
Success.
Yes. So if you want to see more video like this, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and you will see more stuff like this. I'm out.